Good morning.
Good morning.
I don't know if it's a good idea, Sophie. I'm afraid it's premature.
Premature, Your Eminence? The time it takes to develop and update the merchandise
Means we have to move right away.
before the fakes start appearing.
Crooks are always so much faster. Who knows how to do it?
Criminal organizations are faster because they don't forgive inefficiency.
At the risk of seeming too materialistic, Your Eminence,
Do you know how much the Vatican coffers lose for every day that passes without any new papal merchandising on the market?
Not exactly.
Now do you understand why I need the Holy Father's immediate approval?
Yes, I do, but you don't know him. And believe me, he's not an easy one. He's a difficult, unpredictable man.
So, I'm a difficult and predictable woman.
True, which is precisely why I'm one.
Let me handle it. You'll see, it'll go fine.
Help us, Pepita.
who's Saint Pepita?
He's not a saint. He's the center forward for Napoli.
What a lame joke. I see you've lost your optimism along with your sense of humor,
A
Eminence.
sense of humor is irrelevant for the Secretary of State.